Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nickham. This is COVID 19 World News, January 13, 2021 update. Before we proceed any further, I would like you to take a look at my COVID 19 pandemic, an international and personal guide to pandemics on Amazon.com. While you are there, you can also check out my other publications. Let's begin with the feature presentation. As of January 13, 2021, more than 92 million people have acquired coronavirus infection all across the globe, resulting in 1.97 million deaths across the globe. The daily new cases worldwide has surpassed 739,000 per day. That's an astronomical number. If you look at the United States, we have 23.4 million cases of coronavirus, resulting in 389,000 plus deaths. The daily new cases in the United States sort of peaked towards the first week of January when it hit 300,000 new cases per day. Now it is on a downslope, approximating approximately 200 new cases per day. It is not certain that it's going to continue that way because as we had some false starts here. There has been a significant rise in the number of new cases along with a rise in number of deaths. If you recall, back in March and April, when the first wave of COVID-19 hit the United States, the mortality was below 3,000 cases per day. Now, the mortality has peaked beyond 4,000 cases per day, and there are predictions that the mortality can go up. And this is based on the fact that since we had so many new cases and the mortality lags by anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, it is predicted that the mortality will continue to go beyond 4,000 new deaths per day. What is happening with the vaccine? In the United States, the vaccine was approved towards the end of December. In little over 3 weeks, more than 20 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been shipped. Only 9 million doses have been administered. 60% of the shipped, there's a typo here, shipped vaccine are sitting in the freezers at the state level. What is the solution to this mass vaccine stalling, as I call it? The only answer to this is mass vaccination centers at the city and state facilities. I called like 20 different places and nobody had the vaccine. In fact, there were certain state-sponsored hubs which filled up in less than half an hour. So the real solution to this would be to open up multiple city and state facilities where people can just walk in and get their vaccinations. Without that, it would be impossible to vaccinate millions of people all across the country. The SARS-CoV-2 vaccine, Sinovac from China, it was only 50.4% effective in a Brazilian study. This is the lowest among all the vaccines that have reported their efficacy. We still do not know the efficacy of the Sputnik vaccine from Russia, but this is the first study which shows that the Chinese Sinovac has only 50.4% effectiveness, which barely meets the criteria for an effective vaccine. We also need to remember that the flu vaccine is also only 50 to 60% effective, and still we administer close to 160 million doses of flu vaccine each year. Moderna CEO said that the protection from the Moderna vaccine could last up to 1 year. They already have 8 to 10 months of track record And how do we determine that this can last for a year? This is based on the concept of the rise and fall of the antibody titers after an infection or after vaccination. Just a little basic about antibodies. The body produces the IgM, which is the immediate response antibody. Then over a period of weeks, it produces the IgG, which is the long-term antibody. And as you can see, based on this curve, we can predict what level the curve is, and then we can predict the vector, the direction and the magnitude before it reaches a less than a critical threshold. The Moderna CEO feels confident their vaccine can provide a protection up to 1 year. That's going to be coming up pretty soon, ladies and gentlemen. That means we may be in for a COVID vaccine on a yearly basis until this pandemic sort of disappears from the world. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a COVID-19 and COVID vaccine update. I am Dr. Nick Nickham. Before I conclude, I would like to invite you to take a look at my COVID-19 pandemic book on Amazon.com. And you have been watching the COVID-19 World News. This has been a presentation of Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nickham, and please do subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.